All right, let's put together and mint a new digital collectible tonight. So tonight, I'm going to go into my segment engine. Now, I've already went up to the NFT loader here in Social Connector. I've already loaded the Giraffe Tower contract. So it's up and running, and it's all loaded into Social Connector. Now I can go down to my segment engine. When I do, I'm going to create a segment. I'm going to call it Giraffe Tower Aliens. Make it active, hit the submit button. When I do, it added the segment for me. Scroll to the bottom, right here, Giraffe Tower Aliens. View it. I'm going to add a filter group. I'm going to choose an NFT trait gate. It's going to say, which one do you want to use? I'm going to use the Giraffe Tower. It's going to ask me what trait type do I want. I'm going to go to fur. It's going to ask me what value, and I want to use aliens. And I'm going to hit the save button. Now what this does is it looks at that contract and it looks at our database. And it says, show me everyone in Social Connector that owns an alien fur giraffe from Giraffe Tower. So when I hit save, right here, now I hit the refresh, and it's starting to fill the list. 29 people, it'll fill the list. It'll take it just a second. 53 people. I just hit refresh a couple times. I could wait and be patient. 53. That seems to be my final number here. All right, so I've got 53 people. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new collectible. I have this collection called Giraffe Glimpses. I create AI art for our community. I quite enjoy it. They're really affordable mints. They're usually like 10 Gary coins, so it's, I don't know, maybe 50 or 60 cents. We open it up to segments of our community. I'll show you. So if I go here and I go to digital collectibles, I did Galileo the Galaxy Grazer, and I did that to everyone that had the herd roll. That's 5 giraffe. At the time, it was 5 giraffe. We had 85 of those minted. I did Neo Tower Nomad, and I opened up Neo Tower Nomad to everyone who had the builder's roll that came to a special meeting, so it was only available for a short period of time, and we had 9 minted. I did Fons Flora, Giraffe Vision. We had 7 of those minted. That was an airdrop to people who had 10,000 or more Gary coin. And then I did Crypto Kumo, Red Market Master. Now, I've also done a demo and a summer season that we're doing, and WagMe, and a summer season badge that I was playing with, and a 6-9 demo that was done on June 9th, so the 9th of June. But Crypto Kumo, Red Market Master, we had 108 of those minted, and that was an open mint in our community. So now I need to create another one. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how we do this. I'm going to hit Create Collectible. I'm going to add my image. I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to add right here. Here's my image. Here's what I'm going to mint. I worked on in Midjourney today to create this. I like it, so it's what I'm going to mint. I'm going to grab my text. I just put it down here. That's my name. It's Nebula Nymph. I'm going to grab the description right here. Nebula Nymph, Radiant Rift Runner. Beyond ordinary, she embodies hope and mystery. Her pink gaze illuminates a universe where dreams become reality. So really cool. Choose Gary Club. I choose NFT type. It is an open edition. Secondary royalties, I do 10%. 1 NFT per wallet. Mutable, no. So that's first form. If I wanted, I could put some metadata and some properties. I'm not going to. I haven't been for any of these. I may eventually put a structure together, but not yet. Not quite yet. So I will go down here, and I'll go to continue. This is my wallet. It's my Social Connector wallet, so it's all set up, and it's all configured for me automatically. I'll go ahead and go continue again. Now, if I wanted to create a brand new collection, I could. I would upload an image for the collection. I would put in the collection name, the type, whether it's transferable or non-transferable. Transferable means it's swappable, tradable, sellable. Non-transferable means that collection is soulbound. It can't be transferred. It can't be moved. Once it's minted, it's there. So I'm going to go to an existing collection, though, and I'm going to go into Giraffe Glimpses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this NFT with all this information and put it in my existing collection. Now it's going to come up and it's going to give me a little preview. It's going to say, okay, this is where we're going. We're going into this collection. Maximum supply is unlimited. It gives me the creator data. Tells me everything about it, royalties. I'm good to go. So I hit the button. It pops up and it uploads the image, uploads the metadata, adds it to the collection, and creates the collectible. All of this is done really quickly, really easily. I had the art done. I had the description, and I had the name written. So it was simple, and it was easy for me. I added it to an existing collection, so I didn't have to create a new collection. I did save one little step. So now it's created, success, it's done. Now we create step 2, which is our mint pages. This is the page that people would go to mint this collectible. So I'm going to create the mint page. So it created it. I'm going to hit the settings up here. Now it says, okay, well, what are you going to charge? I'm going to charge Gary. I'm going to charge 10 of them. Segment. So we just created this, you remember? Aliens. Giraffe Tower aliens. This is only going to be available to mint for the aliens. I'm going to start it immediately. I'm going to leave it open. I'm going to let the user pay the fees, and it's going to come into my wallet. So it's 10 Gary coin. Only the aliens come in it. It's open right now. I'll go ahead and hit the start button. Now it's open. Now I'm all done. Now I'll go over here to the left, and I'll go to my mint pages. And when I do, I'll go down here, and I'll find my draft, Nebula Nymph. I'll publish my page. Done. Live. Right here. I will go grab the live page. It is right here. Looks just like this. Absolutely gorgeous. Nebula Nymph, Radiant Rift Runner. Beyond ordinary, she embodies hope and mystery. Her pink gaze illuminates a universe where dreams become a reality. I'm going to go ahead and mint one just to test it. So I put in my social connector username and password. What it did is it went and checked really quick. And it said, hey, does this user meet the criteria? Do they have an alien in their wallet? I do. So it's going to verify on the blockchain. This takes maybe 45 seconds, maybe a minute. Not long. We'll just wait. It's verifying on the blockchain. We're going to wait. If there's any congestion on the blockchain, I'll get an error. If there's no congestion and it works with no problems, then I'll just get a success. Mint was done successfully. When I do this, it's automatically in my social connector wallet, but I'm going to go ahead and view it on SoulScan. And when I do, Nebula Nymph, and I can go straight to Magic Eden, and I can see this right here. So I can see there's my NFT. I can sell it. I can go look at Giraffe Glimpses. This collection has a 3 Solana floor, and now I'm going to let our aliens mint a very special NFT for a day or two. I don't know. We'll come up with a date. But I did want to show you how to do it. That's how you put together. If you have your graphic and you have your description and your name put together, you're doing this like we've been in an 8-minute video. And I took the time to actually do it. I took the time to create it. I took the time to mint it. I took the time to build the segment. Everything here for you in less than 10 minutes. As long as you have your image done, you can create your own digital collectible using Social Connector. Have a great day, everyone. Use the tech. Go play with it. Have fun.